You've probably seen the buzz around Neon, a revolutionary AI chatbot promising to change the way we interact with technology. But is it really as trustworthy as it seems? Let's dive in. AI has come a long way. From simple chatbots to complex language models, these tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Neon is one such advancement, designed to be more human-like in its interactions. But with great power comes great responsibility. The Neon promises to be a helpful, informative, and engaging conversational partner. It can assist with tasks, answer questions, and even provide emotional support. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not quite. The reality check: while Neon is undeniably impressive, it's important to remember that it's still a machine. It's trained on vast amounts of data, but it doesn't truly understand the world in the same way a human does. This can lead to misunderstandings, inaccuracies, and even biases. Key concerns: privacy. Data collection. Neon, like many AI tools, collects and processes user data. This raises concerns about privacy and security. Potential misuse. While Neon is designed for positive interactions, there's always the risk of malicious use, such as spreading misinformation or engaging in harmful conversations. Accuracy. Fact-checking. While Neon can provide information, it's crucial to verify the accuracy of its responses, especially on complex or sensitive topics. Hallucinations. AI models can sometimes generate plausible-sounding but incorrect information, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Emotional intelligence. Simulated empathy. While Neon can mimic human emotions, it doesn't truly experience them. This can lead to misunderstandings, especially in sensitive conversations. Dependency. Over-reliance on AI for emotional support can be detrimental to mental health. Striking a balance. So, is Neon trustworthy? The answer isn't straightforward. It's a powerful tool with the potential to do great things, but it's important to use it with caution and critical thinking. Tips for using Neon responsibly. Verify information. Always double-check facts and figures from other reliable sources. Be mindful of privacy settings. Understand how Neon collects and uses your data. Set boundaries. Don't rely solely on AI for emotional support. Seek human connection when needed. Use Neon as a tool, not a replacement. Remember that AI is a tool to assist you, not replace human interaction. Neon is a fascinating development in the world of AI, but it's not without its limitations. By understanding its capabilities and limitations, we can use it responsibly and ethically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.